Hi, I'm Louise.
And I'm Tim. Welcome to our home in Dobbs Ferry.
We've lived in Dobbs Ferry for 23 years and we used to live right across the road. And when our kids were little, we started to feel like we could use some more space. And when the house became available, we moved across the road.
So as you come up the driveway, the first thing you'll notice is the barreled roof.
The barreled roof is actually an architectural solution to a problem of having different widths on the different angles of a building, which would have created many different pitches of roof. The architect came up with the barreled concept as a way of creating a kind of uniformity.
As you come into the house, you enter the main space, and that includes the kitchen area, the living room, the dining room, and an informal eating area.
I love this kitchen to bits. So the island has a very unique shape. That was the architect's idea. It's kind of like a boomerang. And I like the fact that you can get a good 6 people around the island for a meal if you need to. For me, bringing wood into the home is a kind of a warmth and bringing the earth and nature inside. So as you come into the living room, you see this floor-to-ceiling fireplace made out of local limestone, which is dramatic, but it has this lovely option of wood-burning fire during the winter months.
The ceilings are actually 25 feet high, and we have this beautiful wall of windows that looks out onto the Hudson. And that wall of windows actually opens up out onto a terraced area where we spend a lot of time looking back at the house.
The first flight of stairs will take you from the public areas of the house into the first floor. But if you keep going, then we have another flight of stairs that will take you up onto the roof.
And we have this catwalk that runs along the side of the house where the Hudson is. Children love to run up and down that catwalk. Up here are 4 bedrooms, including our bedroom. The principal bedroom also has a vaulted ceiling. It's our sanctuary. We have doors that open out onto a deck, which we love to open on Saturday morning, sip our coffee, read a book.
One of the great things about our bedroom is, of course, the view again. So in order to take advantage of that, we have positioned the bed against a partition wall that breaks up the space of the room and kind of helps the ceiling not feel quite so cavernous, if you like.
As Brits, we also like to have a bath. A main feature in our bathroom is a large soaking tub.
It's not too fancy of a bathroom, but it just feels serene.
The staircase continues up to a roof deck, and the roof deck is accessible through a hatch, and that hatch is electrically operated. And of course we have spectacular views across the Hudson. And while we're up there, we also enjoy just looking at the grounds, and that includes down to the pool house.
This has been an amazing family home. We've thoroughly enjoyed it. We've put a lot into it. But now that our children have moved on, I think it's time for someone else to enjoy it.
Thank you for joining us in our home.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?